The East Village area is about to get two new areas involving food, both of which I'm very much looking forward to. One of them is a new chain restaurant called P.F. Chang's. It's Chinese food with an American flair, so to speak. They're all over the place. I know them from being down in Florida occasionally, and now several of them are in New York City. And the newest one will be right near NYU's campus. And hey, I'm looking forward to seeing it, and perhaps you are too. And the other place of interest that I sort of really am looking forward to is Wegman's Supermarket, which has a really, really good uh, pedigree behind it. I've heard stories from those who shop in Brooklyn and elsewhere how great the stores are. So I thought, what a great little walk. Let's go from the P.F. Chang's to Wegmans, neither of which is open at this time, which is September 2022. And here's a little map to help you find your way around. We now take a look at the map to sort of show you just where we're headed in this zigzag path from P.F. Chang all the way down to Wegmans. We started the intersection of 13th Street and University Place. We head east along 13th Street till we get to the next intersection, which is Broadway. We head south one block on Broadway until we get to 12th Street. At 12th Street, we swing another left and head east again, going past the famous Strand Book Store until we get to the next intersection, which is 4th Avenue South. We head south on 4th Avenue South, go down all the way to 10th Street. Then we cross 9th Street, which pretty much is always called 9th Street, except in that little patch. It has an older name, Wanamaker Place, because Wanamaker's department store used to be there years and years ago. So 9th Street, Wanamaker's Place, same thing. And then we sort of, that little fork you could see there right before we get to the word end, and that is Lafayette Street. And then we head down Lafayette, and then we see the famous Cube and also the subway entrance for Astor Place, which is the end of this little tour.
We need a bond.
precious fucking stuff.
Kind of like broke my heart. Like he was such a little baby. Yeah, we had so much fun with that, 3 days visit. And like the group that happened. Yeah, that is the home base is Lafayette.
After that shot he took. He's like, she just can't do it. And